This is the only answer. So we have to find out, sorry, height and breadth also. What we have to find out? Here we have to calculate what is the, if the area of the four walls is okay, find its breadth and height. Height is 5 meter. What is breadth? Double of this, 10 meter. Because breadth was twice h. Therefore, breadth is equal to 2 into h. That means 2 into 5. That is 10 meter. 10 meter. And height is 5 meter. And height is equal to 5 meter. These are two answers here. Okay, this is question number 3 completed. Okay, let us take next question. Question number 4. Now let me discuss about what is question number 4 given here. Now, question number 4, which I have to calculate here. Question number 4, let me check that. Okay, now question number 4. First let me write down question number 4. What is given here? Let me check. Let me read it out. The area of the floor of a room is 288 square feet. Okay. Area of a floor of a room. All right. Is 288 square feet. Now the total area of the four walls is 816 square feet, sorry, and being 432 square feet for the bigger balls. Bigger balls is a length into height. We know that there are 4 balls in a cuboid, but 2 balls are longer one, they are bigger one, and 2 balls which are b into h, breadth into height. This will be smaller one. Breadth is smaller mostly taken, length is bigger one. So length into height is bigger ball. So opposite to that ball is also bigger one. So 2 balls are bigger one and 2 balls are a smaller one. This is the reason here it says the area of the floor of a room is 288 square feet. The total area of the 4 walls is 816 square meter. But this is divided further. This 816 square feet, which is the area of 4 balls, is divided into 2 balls longer one and 2 balls smaller one. So if I add this total area, it is given to us that being 432 square feet for the bigger balls. So 2 balls, the bigger balls area is given as 432 square feet, and for the bigger balls and 384 square feet for the smaller balls. So 2 balls which are b into h is the smaller ball. That would be smaller ball. Let me just write here. Here is let me take a rectangle shape or cuboid. This is the cuboid here. What is given to us? Let me first write it down. Then you will understand. This is h here. This is length. This is breadth. Now this L into B is the area of the floor. This is given to us. Okay, so L into B is given to us as 288 square feet. This is square feet. Area of the floor, length into breadth. This is, let me take A, B, C, D, and let me take E, F, G, and H. This is H here. Okay. So what is now? Area of the floor is L into B, length into breadth. There is no doubt about this. L into B. It is given to us 288 square feet. The total area of the 4 walls. Let me write here what is given to us. Area of the floor. Area of the floor. Area of the floor of the room is equal to 288 square feet. Okay, and area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls to 816 square feet. Okay. Now this area, total area of 4 walls, is divided into two parts. So area of, now let me write here, and what is the other thing given? Area of bigger balls, two bigger balls is equal to how much? 432, no, yeah, 432 sorry, 432 square feet is the area of two bigger balls, and area of smaller balls is equal to how much? 384. This is 384 square feet. Now try to understand. These are two areas. If I add them, 432 and 384, it must be 816. How? 432 if I add here, because 432 area is the area of the two bigger balls, and area of the smaller balls is 384. If I add them, 4 plus 2, 8. Yeah. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, I'm sorry, not multiplying, but 4 plus 2, 6, adding, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 4, 7, and 1, 8, 816. So total area of 4 walls is 816 square feet, which is given to us here, and then it is divided into two parts, area of two bigger balls, area of two smaller balls. The area of two bigger balls is 432 square feet. Area of two smaller balls is 384 square feet. This is how divided. Okay, this is simpler one. Let me now talk about other thing. And area of the floor is also given 288 square feet. Area of the floor means L into B, length into breadth. This is we know about. This is given to us. Now what we have to find out? Now then it says find the length, breadth and height of the room. So to find here, exactly here to find L, B and H. Why are written the smaller ones? Length, breadth and height. L, B and H. That means length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height of the room we have to find out. Okay. All the three, length, breadth and height, we have to find out. And what is given to us? So simple one. Now let me just take them one by one. Now we know that what is the area of two bigger balls? Two bigger balls are L into H. One area of one ball, bigger ball, is L into H. Why? L, length is greater, mostly bigger than breadth. Okay, breadth is smaller than length. Length into H. Length into H is the area of one ball, the bigger ball. So area of one ball can be calculated by dividing it. Because area of two balls is given to us 432. This divided by 2. Area of one ball, which is L into H, can be calculated. Okay, so let me write the solution. The solution here will be area of two bigger balls. Area of two bigger balls is equal to 432 square feet. Therefore, area of one ball, area of one bigger ball, area of one bigger ball is equal to 432 upon 2 divided by 2. This is 2 1 ja. 2 here, 2 6 12, so 216 square feet. This is area of one bigger ball. But what is bigger ball? L into H. Area is area of bigger ball, or let me write here, or L into H. This is area of bigger ball. What is bigger ball? Length into height. This is the area which is given to us as 216. This is one thing given to us. Okay. And for the other thing, the smaller one, the area of two smaller balls is also given to us as 384. And this is first equation, let me check. And the area of two smaller balls is equal to 384 square feet. But what is a smaller ball? B into H. This is smaller ball, or therefore area of one ball. Therefore, area of one smaller ball is equal to 384 upon 2. Why? Because this was area of two balls. Area of one ball will be 384 upon 2. That means 2 1 is 2, 18, and 2 9 is 18, and 2 2 is 4. So 192 square feet. This is area of one smaller ball. That means B into H is given to us. So this is value of B into H. Let me write here. Or B into H is equal to 192. This is second equation. Okay, but L into B, area of floor, but L into B, or area of floor, is given to us as 288 is equal to 288 square feet. L into B, area of floor. It says area of floor. The area of the floor of a room is 288 square feet. Floor means L into B, length into breadth. Try to understand. This is the third equation. Now, what is common to us here? Now, if I find the value of H, or dividing, okay. Now, if I add these three equations, twice LB plus BH plus HL, for area of four balls is given to us. Okay, and LB plus BH is this. So if I just calculate, what we have to calculate? Area of length, breadth, and height. Okay, all the three we have to calculate. Okay, so if I just find out this, let me write here. Let me solve it above. These three things are now given to us. Let me write again. Solution we are finding out. We have calculated L into B equal to 288 square feet given to us. Area of the floor and area of bigger ball, L into H. L into H is how much? 216 square feet. Now if I divide it, H will be cancelled out, so L upon B is then calculated. So this is this value L into H, and B into H. B into H is how much? 192 square feet. These are the three things we are given. Okay, we have calculated. Now, if I divide, which one to be divided? Now, if I divide this, H is cancelled out, H is common. L upon B can be calculated. So, dividing, this is first equation, let me take. This is second equation. This is the third equation. Dividing this second by third. Dividing second by third. What is that? That means L into H divided by B into H. H is cancelled out. This is 216 upon 192. H is cancelled out. This is L upon B. Okay, L upon B, or L is equal to 216 upon 192 into B, where L upon B is equal to this value, or L equal to 216 upon 192 B. If I substitute this value of L in the first equation, okay, putting here in the first equation the value of L, let me remove this. Therefore, now value of L in terms of B is L here in the first equation. So substituting the value of, let me put here, substituting the value of L in terms of B, in first, in equation number first, L into B equal to 288. So in place of L we substitute 216, it is 216 upon 192 into this B was already there. Okay, sorry, this is B into B into this B is already there. This is equal to 288. So now solving this equation. If I solve this equation, we can get value of B. This is B square is equal to 288 into 192 divided by 216. Now solving it, it will give us, let me further solve it. So these values were B into H is equal to 192. Okay, L into B is equal to 288 we were given, and L into H, was 216. These are three equations we have, but they may be used further just to solve them. Now let's first find value of B. What is value of B? Solving it. So solving it, we get, if I subtract it by 4 or divided by 4, is 4 5 is 20, 4 4 is 16 by 4, 4 5 is 20, is 21, so 1 left, 16, 4 4 is 16. Okay, so this is 4 7 is 28 and 4 2 is 8. Okay, so 72 is, okay, 72, that is 72. Now again, can be cancelled by 4. Let me cancel it out by 27, no, by 9. 9 8 is 9 7 is 50. Yeah, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54. So this is 9 6 is 54, and 9 8 is 72. Again by 2 2 3 is and 2 4 is. So in the numerator we have 4 into 192. The denominator we have 3 only. Subtract this 192 by 3. This is 3 8 is 3 6 is 18. 1 12. So 3 4 is 12. 64. This is 4 into 64. 4 into 64. B is 4 into 64. That we can write it as 4 into 8 into 8. What is square root? B is equal to, therefore, 2 into 8. The square root of 8 into 8 is 8, and the square root of 4 is 2. So finding out the square root, because this is what value of B square. B square is 4 into 8 into 8. So the square root of this 4 into 8, 8 into 8 is 2 into 8, 28. Sorry, 8 to the 16. So B is 16 feet. Value of B, the breadth is 16 feet. Answer. Okay, so B is calculated. Now what is L here? Now LB is 288. Since L into B is equal to 288, we have calculated here B or L into 16. But B is 16 here. We have calculated B is equal to 16 feet. Here this is answer. Okay, so breadth is 16 feet, So clear value of B, so L into 16 equal to 288, or L is equal to 288 upon 16. Now by 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 7 is 28, and 4 2 is 8. Again by 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 8 is 32. Right? 4 1 is 4, and 7, so 3 is remaining, so 32. 4 8 is 32, so 18. L is 18, so L is equal to 18 feet. This is length. What is the height then? Now B into H is 192. So from any out of those equations, we can calculate the value of H. Therefore, since B into H is B into H equal to 192. Therefore, B is 16. 16 into H equal to 192. Therefore, H is equal to 192 upon 16. So by 4, if I cancel out by 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, and this is 332, 4 8 is 32. Right, and this is 4 1 is 4, and 4 2 is, so this is 12 only. So H is equal to 12. So H is equal to 12 feet. There are 3 answers here. Length is, therefore, length of the room is equal to 18 feet. Breadth is equal to 16 feet. And height is equal to 12 feet. These are 3 answers. Only this we have to calculate. Okay, so this is question number, which one? Let me change the marker. This is question number 4 we have calculated. Now let me take what is question number 5. This is 5th question. Question number 5 is, let me first click this. So question number 4 completed, in which we had to calculate length, breadth and height of the room. Okay, some conditions were given there. This is question number 8. 7 is this. Okay, now let us take question number 5. Now we say a room is half as high as it is long, and 2 upon 3 times as broad as it is high. Okay. The cost of carpeting the floor at the rate of rupees 325 per square meter is rupees